Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SFET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. To summarize today's price movement, and really just, a typical, technical jargon, this was a total gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new to charts? So on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there. And it opened up higher than where it was, hence the gap up. And then this is where things get really cruel. After the market opened, the price went all the way up there. Some poor souls were buying around there. And then it was just all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So a total gap and trap. And now the question really just becomes, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? So the key level to watch going forward, and the very important, what I would call a must-hold level, is right here at $1.25. Why is $1.25 so important? Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to go down to $1.25 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or in other words, that would imply that the price made an awesome move to the upside only to go right back to where it was. That is the epitome of a pump and up. But to be fair, I mean, maybe that doesn't happen and something like this could occur where the price comes down here, goes sideways, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what's the big difference in this scenario? Well, at that point, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well, at least at that point, you still have some signs of progress being made in the upwards direction. Now, that's still pretty rough given that the price was way up there. But like I said, you can't quite call it a pump and up yet because, to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress. But moral of the story, $1.25, definitely a very, very important level moving forward. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.